6 without wickets, last ball. Feet coming nowhere. They gambled with the power hitter as an opener. ZMCC. That's why they gamble it. That's why I'll tell you what. Hossain batting first this morning. Roman to ball. Another dot. Well. Nicely played. There is a fielder in the deep fine. Little tucked away. Another promotion in at number 4. You can see another match is going on for Azhar under some pressure. This is the 6th over and 2 down. All of a sudden, about 43 runs is the total. He'll be joining Mohsin Shah and facing the first ball. 40 for 2, 5.3 overs. He'll be fitting himself. He'll be praying that taking some of that time at the wicket. Very disappointed pitch this morning. Brings up you 2 wickets inside 6 overs. Slip on. Right in the middle of the bat. First ball. Six overs gone, 40 for 2. Condition of the ball.
नहीं शुरू में ही था.
Have a scissor there.
शुरू में ही था जब.
Out. No. Wide the placement and it's gone for 4. First ball. And the last over of the power play and last over of the power play. Very, very good shot by Mohsin. Really taking them on. 4 dot and 4 of the over. All of a sudden he realized that we have last over of the power play remains. And going for it. 2 boundaries on last 3 balls. The power play. Oh, crack that. My goodness gracious. 4.44. What an out there. Unbelievably middle lat and struck away on extra cover for 4. Has no chance the fielder. We got 2 balls left of the over. So sad. No ball. No ball. It's gone for 4. Gonna be free hit. 2 balls left and still hurting the bowler. This is not the over you wanna ball at the last over as a power play. And free hit is loading. And pressure on the bowling team once again. His fast bowling partner. 1 left. Whacked away for 4. Whack away. Goodness gracious me again. Powerful shot. A powerful shot from Mohsin. And it's end of the over. What about that for shot, Mohsin? ये भाई इतना क्यों फोड़ रहे भजन? नाराज हो क्या?
चाय किया फिर आगे.
नहीं यार किसने बोला था आपको मारने?
बोला भाई चाय और उस पे सेंचुरी मारेगा तो उसको पकोड़े भी हैं साथ बिस्किट भी हैं.
यार मैं को यार शायद वो मारता है ये एंड में बैटिंग करता है
कैच ही ना कर ले लेकिन मिडल हो यार.
The 8th over and power play fielding restriction has been lifted. This railway carriage factory ground. Could be the leading edge. Oh, ground. Oh, down. Goodness gracious. It's all happening out there, straight on the leading edge on Medan, and it's down by Usaid. That is something. You can bring that in. 2 dot balls, nevertheless. Wide. Wide ball and gone for 4. It's 5. Another 5. No, it's good save. Playing for his 50. A challenge that he promises his friend. This time is out. No. Very good shot. Not go all the way. Now it's given as a 4. Cracked away. And cracked away for 4. Goodness gracious me. There's nobody there. 5 runs. Not out. Nicely tucked away. This is good batting. This is good batting. 2 overs remaining in the 10 overs. For the new bowler setting up to ball the 9th over. Is a right arm leg break, and you can also off breaker. He says this is start of the 9th over. That's nicely bowled. Oh wow. It's gone through. He is not out on, still not out on 0. Azhar, bit of nervous out there, the vice captain says. He finds that, and he got for 4. Jasper is looking after Azhar, taking the leggy on that shot, the off break. It's not there. It's not there to ball, and skipper is down. It's gone for 4 again. Really taking him on now. Okay. 8वां sorry. Good save, and brings up a 2 there. Good fielding in the end. Over. No over 91 पे 2. White. Hello. Nicely played. There's nobody there. Nobody ever moved and go for 4. 99 for 2 after 9.1. They need 1 run to score a century inside 10 overs. First, that's really good thing. 15-16 overs more after this. Nicely played. That is going for 4. That's a good catch. Really good catch. Side change. This is the 10th over. It's gone through for wide. No, it's a bye. It's a good save. First this morning. Oh, a shot. A bit of like A.B. de Villiers in it. Very good shot, Azhar. And skipper very happy about that shot. Azhar. It brings up a boundary here. Straight on the mid-off fielder is taking out, and it picks up a calculated shot Azhar to find himself a boundary maker. Wide. ZMCC. That's a great catch. That is a great catch by Ishfaq. Certainly taking that some of the great catches. He's taking 2 catches out of 2. He's been errorless, and he's been good outfielder, so as the infielder. He's taken earlier a good catch on the backward of point of Raheel. This time the other, he's taken some of the good catches. Only you can do a 3rd wicket down just out of the 11th over. जी भजन इशफाक ये कैच नहीं आज छोड़ रहे भजन बात सुने एक कैच तो छोड़े ना एक इंटरव्यू पहले भी दिया भाई का, मैं क्या कैच ही छोड़ दो, कोई आसरा करा दो कोई भाई।
बस जी आज हाथ में आ रहे हैं क्या
100 वाला प्लेयर था, 100 मारने आया था, वो लिख के आया था 100, कह रहा था 100 लिख लो।
बस बहुत है ना मार के
And a crisis situation, 111 for 3 right now. Batting first 5 to face Fadi, a quick ball down the leg side. It's a great out. It's gonna be an easy run out. No, it's not. Nicely played. He's off the mark. Second ball that he faced. A good backup by the skipper of the other team. Oh, nearly out there. Nearly gone down. A good save in the end. That's a leg by. One left of the over. Very Wesley ball to finish the 11th. A wicket over. Brings up a wicket in this over. Most Ishfaq to ball the 12th over. Wesley ball. And the wicketkeeper says it seems like the bro is looking for the hit to six us. He's a single. Good fielding. 3 होगी भजन. Wide. And he says he's playing one day. The wicketkeeper says. Wide. 2 left. Nearly dragged it on through his leg stump. Is safe. Mohsin looking to target over mid-off. An extra cover region. Quick ball wide. It's gone through. And his first boundary for Tanoli. It's gone for 4 to finish the 12th over. It's also a boundary and 12 overs gone, 13 more over remaining. We have a big game coming up, batting first. Lot of things to do in the match, 3 down and 12 overs gone. Sun is shining. A bowler who break the partnership again to ball from the other end repeatedly. Well, a beautiful, beautiful ball. What type of oh, crack that for 6. Let's crack that. All right. A well-deserved half century. That is even bigger. That is some power hitting. Goodness gracious me. 2 sixes of 3 balls. Major pressure on bowler. Very good ball. When you can see the 6, then 6, then you can hope you can got him out. Whatever you do, knocks his stumps over. It's not like that. It's a tumble. It's gone for 4. Pressure on the bowler, more pressure. 1 ball remaining of the 13th. And really taking them on, Mohsin. He's the guy who wanna see himself 150 not out or something more than that when they finish their first innings, 1/2 of the innings. He's not the guy wandering. I can tell you right now. He's a man who can keep the strike. He can target you. He can bring you a boundary. Of really hard to stop him is keep the strike end of the over. What the skipper want to do? Putting his senior bowler up front to break this man Very good ball. Very good ball. Easy call. Leg by. Leg by. Oh, crack that. Crack that, all right. Good fielding by the skipper in the... Fly that deliberately. And he's gone for single again. Crack that. And he cracked that for 4. Yellow cap. Really taking them on. 14 overs gone. Good watching. Bye-bye. Wide. नहीं उसामा मेरे साथ नहीं है. उसामा नहीं है. शराफत भी नहीं है. मैं वो मेरे साथ क्या करेंगे. मेरे साथ तो आते ही नहीं है. This is the 15th over and skipper wants to bring everybody up in the... And it's gone for 4 byes again. Good save. Very good save. No ball. No. Free hit. Miss the free hit. It's the man straight onto the head. Goodness gracious me. 2 left. 2 left of the over. 1 left of the over. Cracked away. And it struck it. And it's gone for 4 to finish the another over. 10 over remaining after this. It's gone for 4. The 16th over. That's nicely timed. No much doubt about that placement. Yes, of the mark, first ball of this over. Very good partnership. Fly. Just 1. 2 left of the over. Then you have 9 more over to play. Wide. Straight in the air. A mistake. And what a great effort in the end. A safe 6 runs. Not much doubt about that. And save the boundary. Just 1. Last ball of the over. What a great effort. Even he doesn't know himself whether it's 6 or safe. But he saved the brilliantly. Ishfaq, one of the best fielder today. This time a lawful toss. And out. Have to check it. No ball भी दे दी उसने लेग एम्पायर ने. That was 6 runs, not a no ball. 84 है 16 में. लगी है बैट पे लगी है. ठीक है लेग भाई. 16.1. Crack that away over the fielder. That's a calculated shot between 2 of them, who may tumble in the end, but get one. Should have been get for second. No, it's not. Wide. Almost got him. Very good fielding. 3 balleं होगी. Very good check. A throw ball. He's going for 4 byes. अच्छा बैट लगा है 4 है 4. One left. Score. Very good fielding. End of the. Very nicely played on toes. Off behind of point. That is some shot from Tonoli, and it's going for 4. 17.1 overs, 198 for 3. That's how you can play. Bit of like Joe Root in that shot. Playing with the field, Tonoli. It's good to see a 200 up. 200 for 3 after 17.2 over. That means 7 more over remaining after 7 wickets in hand. You can go for 270 or 280. A free license with the Wasim and the skipper to come up with a quicker ball. Nicely played. A good partnership will haunt them. A good shot. Nobody there. On deeper for fine leg. And easily gone for 4. 2 boundaries on last 4 balls. कभी भी कैच करा लो. Straight on the mid off area. Fielder in search of that. Easy couple. Good running. $18 overs gone. Still 3 down. With 7 more over to play. 97 not out. Scoreboard there. 206 after 18 for 3. And he says, I bet you that he can hit at least 1/6 to me. I can hit him everything, whatever you want. 97 not out on 52. White. Another white. You can see the player on 97 not out, and some of the players are waiting for their turn. Change of the side from the bowler. 97 not out on 52. Mohsin straight away. He's on 98. 6 more over to play after this one as well. A leg by. That is a 6. And 100. A century. A well-made century. A 4 runs, 102 not out century. मोहसिन सजदा बनता है भजन. एक सजदा बनता है भजन. बात सुने. एक सजदा बनता है भजन. प्लेयर सजदा नहीं कर रहे भजन. 6 रन. 104 नॉट आउट है. 6 है. 104 not out. Good ball. This is the 19th over. 19th over. 2 balls. White. Good fielding. Good save. White. White का एक है भाई. Cracked away. And it dropped. And it's gone for 4. And it's gone for 4. That is some statement. मोइन भाई, तनोली का कितना हुआ? तनोली का 50 नहीं हुआ. एंड चेंज करेंगे. 36 not out. मोहसिन तनोली आउट. अपील नहीं की. ओवर बाद में अपील हुई है. 222 for 3. 100 plus partnership at the 4th wicket between Mohsin Shaji and Mohsin Tanoli. 19 overs gone. 222 for 3. This is the 20th over. Outside edge. Oh, good fielding. Wow. That is some effort. Goodness gracious me. He's not afraid. Young man. One of the young fishermen in the team. This is the 20th over. A dot ball. Dot ball. Nicely tucked away. Good fielding by Fadi. Just 3 runs coming off the over. 225 for 3. 19.5 overs. And it's gone for 6. Gone for 6. There is some shot from Mohsin Tanoli. He's playing better now. It's not easy to hit those sixes against the medium pace. Pitch is a little never easy to go at it. Slower bowlers, but he made it look easy. A good partnership. 231 for 3 after 20 overs. 5 overs remaining. And the skipper is really happy what his team has done today. Biggest partnership of the 4th wicket today. Unbreakable and unaccessible. Still waiting, Wasim. Has to wait much longer than he thought.
Yeah,
You don't know that in hardball cricket, sometimes you have to pad it up more than 20 hours, then you're not. Flicked away, a little thick inside edge, and easy to just settle for 2. 233 for 3. 20.1. A good ball. A good ball.
तू खेडो तो के गल कीती है खेडो खेडो नहीं फील्डिंग करनी है हां
What timing! Beautiful timing. Wow, what an effort. Save the boundary. Very good. Oh, out. Out. In the end, a valiant display of the batting comes to an end. Usaid, the wicket breaker, and he got out without making 150. And new batsman has to face the last ball remaining of the over, I think. आखिरी रहती है मोइन भाई? मोइन भाई एक बॉल रहती है? One left of the 21 overs.
कितने बने? आपने तकरीबन बनाया 100
मौसम भाई
109.
एक रहती है
Last ball of 21st. 3 wickets down finally. It was hard breaking this partnership. And the captain is now on strike for the very first time in this game. And he has swept it to get himself off the mark. He will keep the strike, Captain Sipte Rakvi, along with Tanoli. These last 4 overs are going to be something enormous for the batting. Things are settled down. Big hitting is much needed big hitting at this stage. This bowler who picked up early wickets over Raheel and Moin is again for something. Look at the run up. First of all, smashed that for 4. Good beginning by the captain Sipte. Beautiful conditions and 4 overs remaining. Wide. He swing and a miss. Slow ball this time. Oh, he somehow put the bat on it. 6 not out. Captain. 3 overs after it. leg buys. Good over so far. He started with a boundary. Now 3 good deliveries. Very nicely bowled so far this over. 22nd over. Oh yes, right on the mark. Giving no room for the batsman. The smash for 4. That was a tremendous delivery. Last ball of this 22nd. I think that's a great comeback by the bowler. The full toss. And the fielder. Yes, he's cut it off. 4 runs. It's the end of the 22nd. I think that's high time for the team to go for big ones. That was in the arc and he missed it. 2 dot balls. Very geniusly bowled. Shoaib. He's looking like a fan, Chris Gale fan. Number 333. 2 dot balls and wide. Quick one. And he missed it again. 3 dot balls. Wasim is padded up and he waited so long. And I think Shoaib Tasneem will not be able to come on batting. This is straight. And he has gone for 4. That was a straight shot. Straight down the ground. The captain picked up his boundary. Second boundary. 5 runs of first ball, 4 balls and 2 deliveries remaining. Missed it again. Very nicely bowled so far. 5 deliveries, only 5 runs. That was in the slot. That was hit so powerfully. That's gone for 4. This is some shot to end the over. 9 of it. एक भी बारी कूट आ गया ना बीच में, गेम खराब हो जाएगी. Overs remaining. LBW was not out, otherwise first ball has gone to wicket. Good fielding, quick throw. Wow. Free hit, big ball coming up. That's a free hit, 24th over. What a shot that is, and he somehow put hand on it. Missed the free hit. Captain is on strike. Captain has hit it hard. That's a cameraman killer. Well stopped too. As he smashed it. Has smashed it 4. It's burning the boundary. It's burning the carpet. 4 runs. Shoaib Tasneem has, I think, is one of the person that is not utilized today, but the captain has promised to send him opening or 1 down in the next game. Captain has though. That's a no ball, I think. That's a no ball. Yes, no, go. That's not ball for it so far. It's a free hit. Last ball of second last over. Precious ball, and he's picked it nicely. 4 more. 3 boundaries of this. Mystery spinner in the last over. I think there's a mystery spinner, hasn't been utilized so far that good. That's one reason why we only 3-4 wickets are fell down. Otherwise, a mystery spinner may have this ability to. Good fielding. Either he can produce some magic. Top spinner. That's a hit. Yes, it's gone for 4 on something. You have to look. Fielder's call. It's not a boundary.
Captain versus the mystery spinner. 4 deliveries remaining. Oh, he has not been picked up. This is a wrong gun. Good delivery. 3 deliveries remaining. Oh yes, he had picked it. Oh yes. There is some hitting in the last patch of this inning by the captain Sipte. 2 deliveries remaining. Last 2 deliveries. Captain. Oh yes, the last ball will be faced by the other player. 1 ball remaining. Already we have gone to big runs, big score.
सिंगल पे
Only a single. Oh no. I think the lack of spin bowling is the only reason why this team ZMCC 3-4 wickets down. Otherwise, if the more the spinner and more magic spinner than mystery bowler,
ला क्या होने क्यों दे साथ क्या हो यार किस कट है
जैसा कि maybe